Workers use special buckets to remove more than 60 kilograms of seawater from the sea at one time. When walking to a sandy field piled up by volcanic sand, the workers' bodies began to shake regularly. The seawater in the bucket will be evenly sprinkled on the ground as it shakes, and the water in the seawater will be slowly absorbed by the sand and stones in the sandy substratum. Under the baking of the sun, at the same time, sand and stone left many sun-dried salt blocks on the surface. This is a traditional salt factory located in the east of Bali. The workers here take 40 barrels of seawater from the sea every day so that enough salt can be extracted from the seawater. Although there were suggestions to reduce physical exertion by pumping water by machines, the workers here did not take their advice. They believe that this is a traditional craft that has been handed down from ancient times, and advanced machines will make them gradually forget the technology left by their ancestors. At this time, workers will use special tools to pile them together, and then workers on the other side will collect them and transport them back to a nearby processing plant for purification. Since the volcanic sand, composed of crystals such as glass shavings, does not dissolve in water, the workers wash off the salt with water and filter it through gauze to obtain relatively pure salt water. They will flow along the channel in the tank made of coconut trees, and the water will be evaporated by the sun again. It is worth mentioning that in the salt drying process, many workers have adopted modern salt drying methods to improve work efficiency. After 2 days of drying in the sun, begin to gradually suck out the kosher salt. At this time, the workers will use special filter tools to drain the remaining water in the coarse salt. Soon, the dried kosher salt looks brighter and whiter in the sun. This kind of salt is usually 3 times more expensive than ordinary table salt, and its value is not only reflected in its nutritional value, but more in its traditional craftsmanship. Once these are taken care of, it's time to sell.